A year ago, I pretty much was so excited to start my cybersecurity journey once I found out what it actually was. And I reached out to a ton of forums, like a ton. And I reached out to a bunch of cybersecurity groups. Um, and the majority just laughed at me. And I was just only asking for advice to get better. Today, I see the same thing going on. And this is why I built this channel. If you want to learn, if you just want to chat with me, because I can definitely be a goofball, and you want to, um, grow and get better, I'm here. It took me a whole year to be able to make this channel. That's how nervous I was making a YouTube. But you see, here I am now, and I have zero nerves now. So all I'm saying is I'm finally here, and I want to be able to build a foundational kit for you. I will be having a bunch of trainings where you'll see me learn, and I want you to know that this is all authentic and raw. And then there will be some sectors where I've learned it and I will be teaching you, starting with the starter kit and whatever else this journey brings. The most important thing is I hope that um, if you see something that you can help with, help. If you see something or you just want to, contribute in any kind of way, please do. Um, but yeah, so Thursday through Saturday, as of now, I'll commit to doing 3 streams. One of them could be, it can fluctuate between the training, the starter kit building, or just any kind of building, or just a random live Q&A, raw, let's hack. I might complete it, I might not. And that's fine, because I want people to know this isn't all some glitz and glamour, quick, you know, you A to Z. No, there's some boxes that has taken me 8 hours, 10 hours to complete. But now I know it, I can teach you in an hour. So this will all be mainly streams and some shorts to reach out to people, but I hope that you join, and I'll see you soon.